In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Subaru BRZ key fob at home. This device was used on BRZs between 2013 and 2020, and it takes one of these CR1620 batteries to run. Really easy to open this thing up. First step is to look up here at this little key ring, and on this top corner, you can see there is a little indentation in the plastic right there. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, twist. You can see we started to open up this device here, and I'm just going to work my way down in that little opening, twisting until the back comes off easily. From here, you can just dump out this little component that has the buttons, and inside is actually the battery. And now we're going to work on these little flaps of plastic that are holding the two halves of this component together. What we're going to do is just hold on the sides and one by one target these little areas and just kind of push the corner of your flathead screwdriver in. You can see from the bottom, I'm just kind of working it in, and it's not going to feel like much at first, but you just kind of released this little latch, and then when we start to do the other ones, so move to the next one and do the same thing. And once we've done 3 of them, just pushing under, prying if you need to, and now you can see we've kind of opened this thing up. You can just remove it with your finger. You can do that last 4th one if it still feels stuck, but it's pretty easy. You'll get a hang of it. Once you just put the corner in, you'll feel the thing kind of pop out. Now we can remove the battery. So looking where this metal component is, we want to come in on the top left. And again, using the corner of your flathead screwdriver, just get under the battery and just very gently lift it out. Now we have a 1620 battery. Take a brand new one, make sure the positive side with the battery information with the text on it, if I can get that to focus. This will go face down into the device, and we click it in, and now we just need to put everything back together. So we are just lining this thing up. If I can figure out how it goes, there we go. Just line it up, click it all back together. Take your key part here and just set the battery and the button component back on top. It'll click in there nicely and sit flush, and then you're just gonna put the back of the device on and click it into place, and that's pretty much it. You are all set, have a new battery in there, and you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, let me know in the comment section, or you can let me know by just giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing a battery for any key fob from any maker model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube, or you can visit us at fobbattery.com.